Christmas! We're climbing the mount today on this terrible, oh so horrible day here in Tauranga, New Zealand. Just the worst Christmas day ever, I tell ya. It's amazing we can survive in this weather. But we'll make do. So we're gonna go all the way up to the top of the mount there.
It's not as high as it looks.
So we'll check in throughout the hike and see how we do. The rock they installed.
Oh, cool. So what do you do?
Matariki yell out the name of someone just passed away, but I don't know.
Yeah.
My dad.
Stephen Share. Melissa.
Oh, yeah. We made it to the top.
Ha! We did.
Beautiful, beautiful Christmas day.
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas. Merry Kirimete.
Nope.
Kirihimete. Merry Kirihimete.
Merry Himete.
Hime.
Something like that. We tried.
Just beautiful day out here. Christmas Day in New Zealand. Nice and toasty. Not the worst Christmas ever.
I like it.
So many stairs on the back road down. But at least it's in the shade. Oh, the stairs. Hiding in the shade. Well-deserved treat after climbing the mountain. Merry Christmas to us.
What? Mary Carey hates me.
Good job.
Thanks.
Merry Carey, Merry. Let's try that again. Merry Christmas.
Am I gonna have to try and say it? No.
Merry Carey.
Mary?
Merry Cutie Mete. Merry Cutie Mete?
No.
I don't know. I'm not even gonna bother. Merry Christmas.